Here is a closer look of the parts before I put them up. I thought it'd be PCI Express 16 board with the M.2. With a Western Digital M.2. $512GB model. Western Digital PC SN740 NVMe. The board itself, I got a little old thermal paste on there. I'm gonna clean it off before I put it in the new case. A87680. The RAM sticks. These are hard to come by, very rare. It was a special edition. Gamer series, especially these, hard to come by. Pretty neat. In case I want to play around with Windows XP, the 64-bit again, or any other Windows like I was saying. I even, this does have SATA ports, 2 of them, which also has RAID mode, also has IDE mode on SATA, so it's switch it to IDE, so I guess you can try and put Windows 98 on here, see if it runs or not. They do make a PCI Express, I got a GeForce 6000, I think it is called, which got Windows 98 drivers. Also got, I'm going to put my Sound Blaster Audigy 2 on the PCI Express here for the audio. The only thing, yeah, 3.0 ports, the blue ones, first generation. The only thing will work on the Windows 98 if you get it working is the USB 2.0 because they're backwards compatible with 1.0. The heatsink is brand new. The thermal paste, it comes pre-applied with it. It's still good. It's not dry or nothing. Also, it has a switch on for low and high for the fan. It's like a secret switch no one probably know about. It's set on low, so it'll be quiet. But you can set on high for a full blast. But I don't think the CPU need that much because it's not really big on performance. I mean, it won't probably get that hot. Just a really budget build. SATA 6GB boards. Also has RGB lighting. It usually comes from a special edition AM4 AM4 or AM5 platform. Alright, I'm gonna put it on. Alright, here it is all assembled. Ooh, that's heavy. I might not put in for the RGB lights because I don't have an extra USB header port, and I want to use both of my header ports in my case. So I might just have to get a splitter sometime. HDMI splitter. Or I can just make one, I guess. Radeon R9 Gamer Series DDR3 memory. Special edition. They only made them so long. Special edition CPU cooler for the AM4 and AM5. Brand new out of the box. MV.2, probably just use this here for that one. I don't know yet, because I really want to, in case I need upgrade this with a cheap graphics card, like another like AMD graphics card probably. But again, the whole purpose is the AP chip and see what it can do. I do some light gaming and stuff. Also, Windows XP. If I ever do try to run Windows 98. All you have to do is just take this out and put the graphics card in there for the Windows 98 capability. And also you can switch this, like I said, SATA ports into IDE mode for the capability for Windows 98. Like I said, P2 ports, that way be compatible with Windows 98 also with those ports. Mouse and keyboard. VGA port too, in case you got old monitor. HDMI, in case you have a fancier new digital monitor. Alrighty, that's all I want to show you, all to put it together. I hope you all have a good day. Bye. Alrighty, there we go. I got my Sound Blaster in, Odyssey 2. Got in the $20 TMU white case. Nothing fancy. Got a little dent there because I dropped it a little bit, but that's okay. It's no big deal. Just a cheap case. Seasonic power supply overkill for this build. It's a modular. 80 plus bronze. 620 watts. Just a cheap little build. You gotta put the wires up there. If you find a screw, I dropped my screw, went somewhere. But yeah, it didn't turn out too bad. Good for testing things, for fun. I'm gonna put the cover on. Alright, the cover's now on. Got a ventilation side panel. No fan here, but that's okay. This will suck in the air, but take it out. Won't free the power supply. You can see the cooler a little bit in there. It's basically over this here. Not bad looking power case still for $20-25. USB 3.0, but I converted to USB 2.0. Power button, reset button, lights. Nothing really right. Not about just a basic case. Just in case I want to play around with, like I said, different operating systems for fun. Old computer. In case you need an older operating system for a piece of software. A lot of the Windows 11 don't work on certain software. Also, some games don't work on Windows 11. I tried many times. So you need XP or something old so you can play your fun games. I'll probably try one of these other adapters. I got a PCI Express 1 card. I'll probably put that in for storage or something. And I got this one. This is a PCI Express X4, if I had the X4. Cheap little dollar adapters off of TeamU. Not TeamU, but AliExpress. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. I'll probably post something else later. Don't know yet. Bye. Just a quick update. I guess I don't need those the USB ports. I don't know what they're for then. But yeah, RGB lighting works. Yes, for different colors. I think that's what it's probably used for, just control the different color fans, but I don't care. It can cycle through different colors. And also, I forgot they got LED lights on that PCI Express slot, so it blinks. So yeah, it's all working. quiet. I got on low fan mode. You can put on high by hitting that switch, but it takes a little pressure to push. But I doubt I need a lot of airflow though. Thought that was pretty neat. Thought I'd do a quick update on that. All right, see you later. Bye.